This is the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears.
My name is Mommy Bear.
Hello, my name's David. My name is called Baby Bear.
Hello, baby bear.
Everybody, your porridge is ready. Come and get it.
My porridge is too hot. My porridge is bacon.
My porridge is too hot too. Let's go and pick some flowers, shall we? Off we go. A little girl came along the path. Her name was Goldielocks. 3 bowls of porridge. A big bowl, a medium bowl, and a little bowl. Suddenly, she felt very hungry. Oh, it's too hot! Oh, this is too cold! That was just right.
The bears returned from their walk.
Somebody's even eating my porridge!
Somebody's eating my porridge too. Let's go. I know someone who's eating it all up. I was watching the whole way through. She's hiding in a bed.
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. What is your name? My name is Goldilocks. Haven't you got anywhere to live? I've got nowhere to live.
You can live with me and you can be my friend.
Daddy Bear, do you mind? Mummy, do you mind? We'd love you to stay with us. Come and give us all a hug.
And they all lived happily ever after. Hooray!